My name is Elysia English and welcome to my channel. You can support my channel by clicking like and subscribing if you enjoy this video. During this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your very own chalkboard paint with just 2 ingredients you can find at home. There are many brands that carry chalkboard paint. The problem is usually it comes in black and the price point is anywhere between $10 and $35 a container. I'm going to show you how you can make your own chalkboard paint for less than $1. For this recipe, you're going to need some warm water, latex or acrylic paint, and some plaster of Paris. This recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris and 1 tablespoon of warm water. And then mix it up really well. You want to stir it up till it's nice and creamy. In a separate container, you're going to use 3 tablespoons of your color choice of paint. Next, you're going to add your water and plaster of Paris mix into your paint and stir it up really well. Now that you've made your perfect chalkboard paint, it's time to work on a chalkboard project. I'm going to take this old frame, which I found at a secondhand store for about 50 cents, and I'm going to transform it into the perfect chalkboard. First thing I'm going to do is measure the size of board that I need to cut to insert inside my frame. I'm measuring from inside both sides. I'm going to be using 1/4 inch hardboard for my background. I'm going to lay out the lines that I need for my 20 by 60 insert. I'm going to set my table saw to 20 inches to make my first cut. Now I need to cut 8 inches off the end here. So I'm going to mark it to 8 inches. Mark it in place. I'm going to paint one with my color chalkboard paint that I made and one with black chalkboard paint. One of the good things about chalkboard paint that you make at home is that it self-levels itself really, really well. You want to make sure that you do multiple coats also so that it doesn't scratch off with a little bit of wear and tear. You can see this is already starting to dry really quickly, but I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes and then I'm going to do a second coat. While I'm waiting for my chalkboard paint to dry, I'm going to work on the frame that I'm going to use to surround the colored background chalkboard. And I'm going to actually paint it white because I want to be able to just stress it and have some of the original green show through to have the green chalkboard background. So my backgrounds of my chalkboards are actually dry enough that I can now apply my second coat. So my chalkboards are all dry, and what I'm going to do is set them aside, and I'm going to actually take a few seconds and distress the frames that I painted that I'm going to put my chalkboards into. I just want to give them a really rustic distressed look. So I'm going to use some soft grit sandpaper and just give it some sanding. Now it's time to install your chalkboard into the frame that you've made, so I'm going to use some finishing nails and a hammer and get it installed. Now your chalkboards are ready to use in different places in your home, like maybe a menu board or to leave cute messages for your family. Using a slightly damp rag, you can wipe it off and use it again. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video inspired you to make your own chalkboard paint and chalkboard project. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to show you how I make my back to school chalkboards using this chalkboard paint recipe. You can support my channel by commenting, and subscribing, and please share this video with someone you think will enjoy it. My channel just surpassed 7,000 subscribers in such a short amount of time, and I'm so thankful for all the support you guys have been giving me. I created this channel to create, inspire, and dream, and just my dream of doing videos on YouTube is just climbing every single day, and it's all because of the support you guys have been giving me, so I just wanted to say thank you quickly. The sky's the limit. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for a lot more awesome videos coming up this summer. I found this perfect, sorry. I found this frame, oh my lips stuck together I was talking. I found this frame at a